Hello, my name is Mohammed Kiam, and today I'll be narrating the project that I created. Um, this is just the demonstration. Basically, what's happening is the application uses two Amazon Linux EC2 instances that you can see here, instance A and instance B. We're also using, of course, as you can see, we'll be using Amazon S3, Amazon Recognition, and an SQS FIFO queue. Um, Basically, instance A detects cars with above like 80% confidence levels and sends the qualifying image names to SQS. Instance B receives those names. It then downloads the images and then detects text above 80% confidence and then writes the results to a file named output.txt. Um, Here are, like I said, the two instances that were created. The top one with dash A at the end is instance A. The bottom dash B is instance B. And also here is the SQS queue page. This is the FIFO queue used for communication. It's empty as you can see. Um, so this is just right before the demonstration. I already have SSH'd into both instances. So the left one is instance A and the right one is instance B. I already have the code and all commands ready just to make the demonstration quicker. So I'll be copying everything. Um, so the shared source contains the two application classes and their configuration and filtering helpers. The public S3 bucket contains the 10 project images as you'll be seeing. So let's run that. So as you can see, these are the 10 project images that we'll be using, and then we'll be able to compile it. And as it's compiling, we'll know it worked if it shows like a build success, like right here, as well as the exit status of 0, Maven exit status, and both the executable jars that we'll be running. And then we'll compile to instance B as well. So like I said, I have the code needed already to run. Um, and then same thing here. Hopefully it'll show the build success message as well as status 0, which it does. It's a good sign. Build success, status 0, and the executable jars. And we'll go ahead um, and let's see. We'll start instance B first. So we'll run instance B is gonna start first. Then basically it's gonna when it starts it long pulls SQS, and this basically just demonstrates that either application can be started first. So as you can see, it's waiting for the image indexes for SQS. So which means we'll go back to instance A on the left side here. And instance A is going to be processing all the 10 S3 images, all 10 of the S3 images, and qualifying images are then sent immediately to the queue. Um, and when it's sent to the queue, instance B is going to process them. So you'll be able to see everything concurrently, which is going to be pretty cool. So let's go ahead on instance A here. And as you can see, instance B is uh, processing all of those. Um, and then we'll know if it's good from running this print command here with an exit status 0. So just to once again go over, you can see images 1 through 7 were all queued. Um, but images 8 and 9 and 10, those were skipped. Yep. So 1 through 7, because they passed the confidence needed, the other ones were skipped. And right here we can see with the proper queue completion signal of -1 and the exit status of 0. So all good signs here. And then on instance B, where it was being processed, you could see as well the completion signal of -1 and as well as the uh, text recognized app completed string, which shows that it worked, it did its thing. And then instance B, as you can see, like I said, downloaded all 7 car images. 4 contained text above 80% confidence. So 4 lines were written to output.txt. It then received -1 and exited normally. Yep. 1 through 7, so that means it's showing 7 right here that it processed. And then we're going to show right here, we'll run this on instance A. So let's see as it finishes running. Oh yeah, okay. And as you can see, it's a little hard with the blue background, but in the queue, all show 0. So in the queue, there's 0 messages, 0 messages delayed, and messages not visible 0. That means everything that was sent to the queue has been processed by instance B. So there you go. And this basically completes the demonstration. Both Java applications compiled and ran successfully. It was communicated through SQS. It used S3 and recognition, produced the output, and everything terminated cleanly.